Hi everyone, welcome here. Today I'm going to walk you through how to reinstall your VPS with a fresh Windows installation. As always, we proceed to the dashboard. I'm already logged in here to simplify the process. In our test installation, we only have one VPS, so I'm choosing this one here. It takes me to the dashboard. I pick the Auto Install OS. We want to install Windows, so I click the Windows tile, and pick the Windows Server version. These are all trial versions. I pick one of these I want to install, so let's go for Windows Server 2022. One of the most important parts here is as well, this here is your password. This is your RDP administrator password. The username is administrator. The password is this one here. You can also set your own here, but to make it easy, we just copy this into the dashboard and we start the installation. So from this point on, the process is running, and it's very, very important to understand one thing. It takes about 15 minutes for the installation to complete. Windows is a little bit like a dinosaur, and it takes long to install. So while the system is installing, you're not able to connect to your RDP. So you see here, we are running the auto installation in the background. You're only able to connect to your RDP with Windows Remote Desktop Protocol once the installation is completed. So please go ahead, enjoy a cup of coffee, and if you need anything, please reach out to our team. Have a good one. Bye.